Two men were shot at West Road in Zimbabwe, Arnett Gardens, St. Andrews Sunday morning. They have been identified as 20-year-old Jaheim Walker, otherwise called Jaja, and Tajay O'Neil Watson, 20. Both men are from Paradise Courts in Zimbabwe. It was reported that around 9:35 a.m. Walker and Watson were sitting on the inside of the premises when armed men approached. The gunmen, the police said, opened gunfire hitting both of them. They were rushed to hospital where they were pronounced dead on arrival. Police said initial investigations have suggested that Walker was the main target of the attack. Information was that he was an affiliate of the Top Sunlight Street Gang and was the target of the members of the Bottom Sunlight Street Gang. The Kingston Western Police are probing the double murder. A man was murdered in the Marchmount area of Betheltown, Westmoreland, Sunday morning. The Corporate Communication Unit confirmed that a murder and shooting with intent incident had occurred in the parish. The police are yet to identify the victim. SOEs are now in effect for parishes of St. James and Westmoreland. The SOEs, which commence at 12:01 a.m. on Thursday, will remain in effect for an initial period of 14 days. According to the release, the SOEs were once again declared in these parishes due to spike in violence. 7 people were shot, leaving 1 man dead during a party Sunday morning in Bridgewater District, Westmoreland, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has revealed. Deceased is 38-year-old Lashlaru Shaw, otherwise called Pe, Worm, and Lenky of Belmont, St. James. Commanding Officer for Westmoreland, Senior Superintendent Wayne Joseph, said the incident occurred around 9 a.m. Information is that there was an unpermitted party the night before leading into the morning, and persons were in the process of cleaning up after the party when a white Toyota Axia motorcar drove up. 3 men alighted with handguns and opened fire. Persons received injuries and ran in various directions. 1 person succumbed to his injuries on the scene, SSP Joseph said. SSP Joseph added that the 6 injured persons were quickly transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital where 5 were treated and admitted in stable condition, and the 6th person was treated and admitted in a critical condition.